What's up, builders? Today we're diving headfirst into the heart of every woodworking shop, the mighty skill saw. Think you can survive out here without one? Think again. This tool isn't just a want, it's a need, and here's why. We're gonna break down exactly why this saw is an absolute game changer for woodworkers of all skill levels. Get ready to up your woodworking game, because once you go skill saw, you never go back. First things first, let's talk versatility. This bad boy isn't a one-trick pony, it's the Swiss Army knife of saws. Straight cuts, boom, bevel cuts, double boom. Whether you're building a sturdy table or a delicate picture frame, the skill saw handles it all. We're talking ripping through plywood, slicing through dimensional lumber, even trimming down sheet materials with ease. And don't even get me started on the blade options. You've got blades for different materials, different cuts, you name it, there's a blade for that. This isn't just a saw, it's a whole system for conquering any cut you can throw at it. I remember when I first started out, I thought I could get away with just a handsaw. Let me tell you, that didn't last long. Once I got my hands on a skill saw, it was a total game changer. Suddenly I was tackling projects I never thought possible. And the best part, it's incredibly intuitive to use. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of how to use it safely and effectively later, but trust me, this saw is a woodworking essential for a reason. Time is precious, especially in the workshop, and that's where the skill saw really shines. With its adjustable depth and angle settings, you can make precision cuts in half the time it would take with other saws. No more endless sanding to fix uneven cuts. The skill saw gives you clean, accurate cuts right off the bat. Imagine this, you're building a bookshelf, and you need to cut multiple shelves to the exact same length. With a handsaw, that's a recipe for frustration and inconsistency. But with a skill saw, you set your depth, lock in your angle, and boom, perfect, repeatable cuts every single time. This efficiency translates to more time for the fun stuff, like actually building and creating. Plus, the speed and power of the skill saw mean you can power through even the toughest woods without breaking a sweat. No more struggling to get a clean cut. This saw makes it look effortless. Chapter 3. Goodbye frustration, hello precision. We've all been there. Frustrated with a cut that's just not cooperating, spending hours trying to fix mistakes. The skill saw, it's here to banish those woodworking woes. With its powerful motor and precision engineering, this saw makes even the most challenging cuts feel like a walk in the park. No more sweating over stubborn wood, the skill saw powers through tough jobs, leaving you with clean, precise cuts and a sense of accomplishment. And let's talk about safety for a second. The skill saw is designed with user safety in mind, with features like a blade guard and ergonomic design to reduce the risk of accidents. Of course, like any power tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly and follow all safety precautions. But with the right know-how, the skill saw is a safe and incredibly rewarding tool to use. Remember, a happy woodworker is a productive woodworker. Chapter 4. Clean cuts, clean builds, beautiful results. At the end of the day, it all comes down to the final product. And with a skill saw in your arsenal, you're setting yourself up for success. Clean cuts mean clean builds, and clean builds mean projects you can be proud of. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the skill saw will elevate your woodworking game to the next level. It's an investment that pays for itself in time saved, frustration avoided, and the satisfaction of creating something truly beautiful with your own two hands. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, get yourself a skill saw, and start building. Outro level up your woodworking game. There you have it, folks. The skill saw, a woodworking essential that's earned its place in workshops around the world. Every serious woodworker needs one of these in their arsenal. Don't just take my word for it. Get a skill saw and see the difference for yourself. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking tips, tricks, and tool reviews. Until next time, happy building!